You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in French. It exists in English. I think it's Cajun, but it's originally French indeed. So if you're curious how it's pronounced in French, in France, Lagniappe, GN is pronounced N in French. How to pronounce in French. If you want to learn more vocabulary, by the way, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You'll want to learn from Lagniappe. English pronunciation, Lagniappe. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.